Where were you?
I was at the park.
What do you want?
I need a glass of water.
Is anyone here?
No, the room is empty.
How do you feel?
I feel much better.
Will you join us?
Yes, count me in.
Do you know him?
Yes, he's my neighbor.
What's the topic?
It's about history.
Where is the restroom?
It's down the hall.
When is the class?
It starts at 10 a.m.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, I am.
Can you solve it?
Yes, let me try.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Who is calling?
It's my mom.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
What's your plan?
I plan to watch a movie.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please.
Is this your car?
No, it's not mine.
What's the time?
It's 3 p.m.
Shall we start?
Yes, let's begin.
Is it snowing?
Yes, it's snowing outside.
Who is your favorite singer?
Ariana Grande.
How was your exam?
It was easy.
Who is knocking?
It's the delivery man.
When did you leave?
I left in the morning.
Who are they?
They are my classmates.
Where is your bag?
It's on the chair.
What should I wear?
Anything comfortable?
Can you repeat that?
Sure, no problem.
What should we do?
Let's go for a movie.
Is it spicy?
Yes, it's very spicy.
Where is the station?
It's 2 blocks away.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
How was the meeting?
It went well.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Is this your pen?
Yes, it's mine.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Will you call me later?
Yes, I will.
Where's my phone?
It's on the shelf.
Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Who is responsible?
I am.
Whom should I ask?
Ask John.
How is the food?
It's really tasty.
Who is your doctor?
Dr. Smith.
Can you sing?
Not very well.
Am I early?
Yes, you are.
What's your hobby?
I like drawing.
What's happening?
We are having a picnic.
What's on your mind?
Nothing much.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Will it snow today?
I hope so.
What's for breakfast?
Pancakes and juice.
Is it nearby?
No, it's a bit far.
What's for lunch?
We're having sandwiches.
Where are the keys?
They're in my bag.
What's going on?
We're decorating the room.
Is this your laptop?
Yes, it's mine.
Who is your idol?
My mom is my idol.
Where is the kitchen?
It's upstairs.
How's the weather?
It's sunny and warm.
Where does it hurt?
My arm is sore.
When is your appointment?
It's next Monday.
Will you join the meeting?
Yes, I'll be there.
Who is singing?
That's my friend Anna.
Do you need help?
No, I can manage.
Am I interrupting?
Not at all.
What's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Where were you?
I was at the park.
Can you solve it?
Yes, let me try.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
What's wrong?
I forgot my wallet.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it.
Is he your brother?
Yes, he is my younger brother.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
What's your job?
I work as a chef.
How long will it take?
About an hour.
Is it clear now?
Yes, perfectly clear.
What's the topic?
It's about history.
Shall we dance?
Yes, let's do it.
Shall we continue?
Yes, please.
Whose book is this?
It belongs to Maria.
Do you like painting?
Yes, it's my hobby.
Whom did you see?
I saw my cousin.
Whom did you meet?
I met my teacher.
When will we leave?
We'll leave in an hour.